This is a VoiceIt box. A VoiceIt box is a 3D printed plastic box containing an Arduino microcontroller, an RFID tag reader, and a speaker. It can be used to aid in language education. An RFID sticker tag can be programmed to make the box play an audio clip when it gets close.
English. Washing machine. Español. Lavadora.
To 3D print the VoiceIt boxes, I made a trip to the Portland Community College Southeast campus, located on the corner of Division and 82nd Avenue in Southeast Portland, Oregon. Like the Sylvania, Cascade, and Rock Creek campuses, Southeast has a makerspace. On the second floor of the Student Commons building, you'll find the Jade District Learning Center. At the JDLC, you'll find extremely helpful staff that will teach you how to use any of their equipment for free. You don't even have to be affiliated with the college. You only need to pay for materials if you are profiting off of what you make. Otherwise, everything is provided for you. They have a bunch of 3D printers, including 2 resin printers, laser cutters, and other technology that can be helpful creating anything you can imagine. Go to volkswitch.org. Let's go to the Volkswitch website to get all of the Arduino files, the audio files, and find the list of materials we need. Click on the Volks Devices tab and scroll down to VoiceIt. Once on the VoiceIt page, scroll down to the Arduino microcontroller section and open the link here in a new tab. Here on Printables, we will find all of the files for the VoiceIt. We need to click on the Downloads button. Download the voiceit.zip.pdf file. We will be using other enclosure files, so we don't need these ones. Now, you will see that this voiceit.zip.pdf is not actually a PDF file. It is a compressed zip folder. You want to rename it and get rid of the .pdf and hit enter. Once you do that, it will prompt you asking if you want to change the file extension. Hit yes. Extract it with 7-zip. And here are all of the files that come with the VoiceIt box. Here's some information on troubleshooting and adding new content to your VoiceIt. Here's all the enclosures depending on which build you are making. We are building an RFID only with internal and external speakers, but we have a PCC specific one that has text on the side. These are all of the files that will be uploaded to the Arduino to run the VoiceIt. And here are some of the audio files that come with the VoiceIt. We have a lot more that we have created and will share with you. Alright, now go down to the Parts section and open the List of Materials in a new tab. This is where you will find all of the materials used to create a VoiceIt.